Hello everyone, welcome. Today in this video I have solved an activity on class 9 English grammar. So without wasting much time, let's start the video. Class 9 English grammar. Do as directed. Number 1. What did he see? Change the voice. Answer. What was seen by him? Number 2. How happy we were there, they said to each other. Change into indirect speech. Answer. They exclaimed with sorrow that they had been very happy there. Number 3. Tell me your address. Turn into complex sentence. Answer. Tell me what your address is. Number 4. They all started late. Make it negative. Answer. Neither of them started early. Number 5. What a lovely flower. Turn into assertive sentence. Answer. It is indeed a very lovely flower. Okay.